5 psychological hacks to instantly boost your social skills. Ever feel awkward in social situations? Like you're just missing that unspoken rhythm everyone else seems to dance to? Don't worry, you're not alone. Social skills aren't just about being naturally charismatic. They're a science. Today, I'll show you 5 psychological hacks that can instantly boost your social skills and make you more likable, persuasive, and confident. Hack number 1, the power of mirroring. People like people who are like them. It's called the chameleon effect, and it's one of the most powerful subconscious tricks in social interaction. When talking to someone, subtly mimic their posture, gestures, or speech patterns. Don't make it obvious, you're not a mime, but slight mirroring creates a sense of connection and makes the other person feel at ease. Studies show that mirroring increases trust and likability. Just be natural about it, and soon, people will start clicking with you without even knowing why. Hack number 2, the 2-second pause. Want to instantly sound more intelligent and in control of any conversation? Use the 2-second pause. Before responding to a question or comment, pause for just 2 seconds. This gives the impression that you're thinking about your words instead of just reacting. People will see you as more thoughtful, composed, and confident, even if you're just mentally scrambling for something to say. It also makes the other person feel heard, which strengthens your social presence. Try it and watch how people start valuing your words more. Hack number 3, the Ben Franklin effect. This one is counterintuitive, but it works like magic. If you want someone to like you more, ask them for a small favor. Sounds backward, right? But psychology proves otherwise. Ben Franklin used this trick when dealing with political rivals. He asked an opponent to lend him a rare book, which made the person like him more, not less. Why? Because the brain rationalizes that if I'm helping this person, I must like them. So next time you want to build rapport, ask someone for a tiny favor, like borrowing a pen or getting their opinion on something. It builds an unconscious bond. Hack number 4, use the Ford technique. Ever run out of things to say? Use the Ford technique. It's a foolproof way to keep conversations flowing effortlessly. When you meet someone new, ask about their family, occupation, recreation, and dreams. These are topics people naturally enjoy discussing. The trick is to be genuinely interested. When you focus on what excites them, they'll walk away thinking you were a great conversationalist, even if you barely spoke at all. Hack number 5, the triple nod trick. When someone is speaking, nod 3 times in succession as they talk. This subtly signals that you're engaged and encourages them to open up more. People love feeling heard. Use this hack and you'll notice that people start sharing more with you, making your conversations deeper and more meaningful. Social skills aren't about being the loudest person in the room. They're about understanding psychology and using small, subtle cues to connect with people. Try these hacks and you'll notice an instant shift in how people respond to you. If you found this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe for more insights into human behavior. And let me know in the comments, which of these hacks are you going to try first?